Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the effects option in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to import the image. As you can see, I've already imported an image. If you want to import the image, simply you have to click on the import, and after clicking on the import, you need to choose the image, that which type of image you want to import. For example, I don't want to import the image, so I'm going to click on the cancel, and after that we need to go to the develop section. And after going to the develop section, as you can see, you will be able to see the option here which is called effects. So let's click on the effect, and after clicking on the effect, we need to choose the mode, and like the high priority mode, and the color and the paint overlay also provided here. And now for example, I'm going to choose this amount option. If you want to increase the amount, as you can see, the amount will be increased like this. So if you want to increase the midpoints, as you can see, these midpoints are also provided here, and the roundness is also provided here. If you want to convert this into a roundness, it will be like this, and the feather is also provided here. For example, I'm going to increase its amount like this. As you can see, now a midpoint. If you want to increase the midpoint or decrease the midpoint, you can also do that. And the feather is also provided here. If you decrease the feather, it will be like this, or if you increase the feather, it will be like this. And highlights are also provided here. Amount is here. For example, I'm going to increase the amount, and the size is also provided here, and the rightness and all the things are provided here. You can use them, you can control them as per your needs. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.